Majestic NISARG here. Today I am going to show you how to make a mask out of a handkerchief and two rubbers. All masks are out of stock, so you cannot buy them anywhere. And these masks you can wear and you don't have to throw away. You just need to open it, then clean it, then you can wear it, make it again and wear it on your face again. So guys, let's start. Subscribe my YouTube channel Majestic NISARG and also click the bell button for more updates and quick notification. Guys, this is handkerchief. We need two rubber bands. First, you need to put the handkerchief like this. Then you need to fold it just like this. Now fold it again. Now we have a straight line. Now we need to put the two rubber bands in the corners. Not in the corners, a little bit away from the corners. And this side. Now look guys, it looks like a toffee. Now you need to fold it once more. Now you need to put this into this, just like this. And now you need to stretch out the rubber bands. Now you have a mask. Now guys, the mask is ready. Now I will wear the mask. It is a white mask. You can make this in any colors. You can wash it also. Be safe, always wear mask. Bye guys.